a video relating 10 situations where daily expenses negatively impact a couple's economy, with corresponding images to illustrate each case. Emphasis on unnecessary and compromising spending in the medium and long term for their finances. Here are some examples of waste that can be included in the video, which should last 2 minutes. 1. Acquisition of expensive or unnecessary cars. Maintaining a high-value car, both in purchase and maintenance, is one of the main budget compromisers for families. Besides financing and depreciation, costs for insurance and maintenance are significantly higher for luxury cars. 2. Financing properties beyond comfortable means. Buying a house or apartment that takes up a large portion of monthly income, with very long terms, can lead to years of financial strain, limiting other priorities and opportunities. 3. Excessive dining out at expensive restaurants and bars. Frequent dinners at restaurants or outings at trendy bars can add up to a significant amount by the end of the month, especially with service charges, tips, and drinks. 4. Impulsive purchases of branded clothing and accessories. The allure of expensive brands can quickly drain a couple's budget. Paying for branded items with high profit margins, which often have quality alternatives, is an unnecessary expense. 5. Subscriptions to services that are rarely used. Many couples subscribe to streaming platforms, gyms, and magazines, but end up using only a few of these services. When added up, these expenses represent a considerable amount for something that is underutilized. 6. Unplanned installment purchases. Installment payments make it easier to buy items that, in reality, wouldn't fit in the budget, but the installments accumulate and turn into a snowball that drains the budget over time. 7. Travel and outings beyond financial capacity. Taking expensive trips to tourist destinations, even with financing, incurs high costs in the budget, including interest rates, food, and entertainment, affecting financial reserves. 8. Food waste. Poor planning of grocery shopping leads to food spoilage and waste. This represents money spent unnecessarily, in addition to being a waste of resources. Better control of purchases and meal planning can prevent this issue. 9. Excessive use of credit cards and overdrafts. Many couples complicate their finances by using credit cards and overdrafts as extensions of their salaries. The high interest rates on these resources, when bills are not paid in full, can lead to multiplying debt. 10. Frequent replacement of electronics and luxury devices. Buying the latest model of a phone, television, or other electronics just to keep up with market trends is an unnecessary expense. Many of these devices still have a long useful life and can be used for a longer time. To give a financial up, couples need to carefully evaluate these expenses, prioritizing what truly brings returns for quality of life and long-term planning.